And that's something, incredibly crucial to emphasize, is that we see the Rugeley community as being so crucial in this project being successful. There is no point in us coming in and just putting in a load of solutions. Actually, the great thing about this project, and the reason why Zoe and I are so passionate about it, is that it is steered by the community. And the way in which we do that is through user-centric design. It's this principle of allowing the community to look at different solutions, to weigh up what those look like, what they want, to provide us with that sort of economic context so that we can design the best smart local energy system for you. And the way in which we've been doing that so far, and as Zoe said, we are going to be continuing this work all the way through 2021. But so far we've been speaking to you via social media, where you've been commenting or perhaps messaging our page or joining our discussion forum. And we've also been running interactive cultural animation workshops. And due to the interesting times we find ourselves in, that's very much within an online capacity at the moment. But we are very much hoping that we can actually get to Rugeley when it is safe to do so and meet lots of you in person. But you might be thinking, okay, well, what's the point of that? Well, firstly, it involves a process of us listening to you, understanding your stories, your history, understanding your perspectives on the varying components of a smart local energy system. It then involves a process of us taking all of that, which is the stage that we're probably at now, around analysing and understanding what you want for your community. We keep talking about this, I think, this idea of a vision for a sustainable future for Rugeley, and we very much see that as being driven by the community. And then there's a process within that in empowering. Something that is central to user-centric design is it's not just about taking all of these comments and saying, okay, well, we did some engagement with the community. It's actually allowing you to have your voice heard, and it's our job within our work package on user-centric design to take everything you say and then to make sure that is embedded into the solutions that we design for the community. And I think it probably is crucial to say at this point that we're very much in a sort of theoretical design phase with the project, where we'll be hoping to obtain some capital at a later stage to hopefully implement some of these solutions that we develop. So how does this work? Well, you attend a workshop or you can talk to us on social media, and we've deliberately done that to give you the capacity to choose the degree to which you engage with us. So it may be that you see something that is interesting to you. You might have a passion for cycling and you want to see that promoted within the community, but you don't necessarily have 2.5 hours to sit with us and really go into that in some detail. And so you can then talk to us via social media. The idea is that we listen to your perspective, and we really try to make sure that we understand. We'll be making a note of everything. I've been making lots of notes along the way. And then we're going to analyse that and see how that compares with the wider community wants. And that's not to say that, oh, my opinion is different, therefore it will be thrown out. That's not true at all. It's just about seeing and understanding that we capture everyone's perspective. We then report that back to the consortium, all of the different sort of stakeholders within the project. And then we also report that back to you as a community, as we are doing now, to make sure that you can understand how the project is progressing. So in terms of who's helping us along this long and windy road, we've got a series of community gatekeepers, and they include Cannock Chase District Council, Rugeley Town Council, Brereton and Ravenhill Parish Council, the Rugeley Community Centre, Power for All, Transforming the Trent Valley, the Brereton Millions, and also the Hive. So we're working with a series of individuals within your community, and we're always looking for more individuals to engage with us and to help us. So if there's something you're interested in, if you have a real passion for the project, please do feel free to contact us, because there's always lots of important work to be done.